Hi guys, my name is Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Here today to show you the 3113 Newmar Baystar. It's a 2018 model. We're going to take a quick walk around the outside, show you some of the important features, and then move into the inside and look at the floor plan. Now, important things on the outside of this, it is a full body paint job. No decals on it. Moving around, we do have the outside entertainment center. We have slide out for the dinette. We have a slide out for the bedroom. On the other side, we've got a full, well, 3/4 body slide out, 5,000-pound tow hitch, roof rack, beautiful coach on the outside, great graphics, just really looks nice. Backup camera up top, again the tow hitch, onboard generator, gas generator by Onan. So let's take a look at the floor plan. Okay, in the 3113, you got your nice flooring, great styling cues in this, nice banister. You've got an expandable dinette. Can go all the way out to 4-person. Click there for an expanded 2-person, and all the way back in for traveling. A nice Sony television set with a Bose sound bar. Beautiful full wood cabinetry. Nice sleeper sofa here. Up front, in the front we've got 2 flex steel captain's chairs. They are swiveling. You got fingertip controls on your auto leveling. Nice information center with a backup camera and side view cameras. Up here you have your main control module. Real easy access for your battery disconnects. Everything that you need to do is real centrally located. Moving back, we've got full Corian countertops. Nice twin stainless steel sinks. Really large convection microwave. 3-burner cooktop. Full pull on the drawers, nice solid wood drawers. Moving back a little bit, we got a 10.5 cubic foot refrigerator freezer, nice pantry, and then we go into the bathroom. Got a 46-inch radius on the shower stall, really nice and big. It does have the dome on top, so even the taller people can get into that shower and have a decent shower experience. Moving back into the back, you got 2 really nice wardrobes. Get a lot of clothing hung up on them. Nice Corian tops here. Full pulls on the drawers. So again, it's all solid wood construction. You have a nice king bed. It's a full walk around. You get the Newmar construction values in it, which means that you got 6 inches of combined batting and foam insulation on the top, 3 inches on the sides and the floors. This has an R factor of 7, so it's going to keep you cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and it's very, very quiet. My name again is Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City. You can contact me directly at 541-654-1820 or at jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you very much for your time.